Come on, sing it with me. My God isn't finished yet. If he did it before, he can do it again. So I'll trust him with what comes next. 'Cause my hindsight says I can count on this. My God isn't finished yet. If he did it before, he can do it again. So I'll trust him with what comes next. For God I know is so for faithful.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Thanks for checking out this drum cover. I hope you liked it. I just want to leave you with a final thought on this song. There's an awesome lyric from this song that says, "So I'll trust him with what comes next, because the God I know is known for faithfulness." That correlates really good to an awesome verse in Proverbs that just wanted to share with you guys real quick. It's Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. It says, "Trust in the Lord God with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Acknowledge him in all your ways, and he will make your paths straight." Such an awesome verse just to remember on a daily basis, especially the phrase about acknowledging him in all your ways. That's like the actual practical way of trusting him. If in all the actions you do, the risks you take on a daily basis, the things you do to try to succeed at whatever you're trying to do in your life, if you acknowledge him and kind of say in your mind or even out loud, like, God, I'm only going to be able to do this if you're in it. And I only want to be in it if you're in it. That's the kind of acknowledgement that has changed my life, and I know is incredibly important in a life of following Christ, to really show him that you trust him. So hope that blesses you guys today, and have a great one.